Now these are the carrots I purchased at Whole Foods in a 5-pound bag, and we're gonna see how clean we can get them. I mean, they do have some dirt obviously in the top. That just happens all the time. Normally I'll cut off the tops here, but there'll even be like dirt and residue on the carrots. So let's go ahead and put them into our water with our ultrasonic cleaner and see how these go. And this time I'm gonna keep one carrot behind so we can kind of compare. Gonna turn it on, set it in, and walk away. All right, let's check out our carrots here. Definitely like feels smoother and cleaner. Let's see the difference. Let's just like wet this one to see what it looks like wet comparatively. This is the one on the right here is the cleaned one, and then the one on the left is the not cleaned. So I don't know if you could tell in the camera, but this definitely, it looks a little more vibrant than the uncleaned one. And I didn't have to do anything. I literally just put it in there and then walked away. That's another thing I like about this is that you don't have to sit there and do a lot of scrubbing and cleaning because this thing literally will just do it all for you. Now let's check out the water. The tops are still, you know, oh, I mean, I don't think you can, anything could get that dirt off. But here's what the water looks like. I mean, a lot of stuff came off of these carrots. Like, I don't even know what all this is, but all I did was just throw them in there. I didn't even do any agitating or anything. That machine did it all.